Hello children, so we'll continue with the indices part 2. In the first class, previous class, here we studied about the properties of indices and we had seen some applications. So we'll take some more examples today. So I've taken here 8 questions. So the first one, we have to simplify this one. See what is given is 81 to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 to the power 1 by 3 into half to the power minus 1 into to the power 0. Now we need to simplify. So 81, you know 81, if you factorize, you get 3 will go 27 times and 3 will go 9 times and 3 will go 3 times. So what is the power of 3? This is the power 4. So we write 81 as 3 to the power 4. When power is on power, it is multiplied, so into 3 by 4. Similarly, minus, you can separate 1 to the power, anything is 1 only, and 32 is, you know, again factorize, 2 will go 16 times, 8 times, 2 will go 4 times, 2 will go 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 2 to the power 5. So you can write this as 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 by 5. So because 1 to the power anything is 1 only. Now plus 8 you can write as 2 cube into 1 by 3. Power on power will be multiplied. Then half to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 2 to the power minus 1, because 1 to the power minus 1 is 1 only. So 2 to the power minus 1 comes here, and here into 2 to the power 0 is also 1. Okay. Now if you simplify further, so 4 will get cancelled, so you get 3 cube here minus 1 by this 5 and 5 get cancelled, so you get 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 to the power 3 cancels, so it is only 2 into this minus, when goes up it becomes plus, into 2 and into 1 will be same thing, because into 1 will not change the number. Anything into 1 is the same thing. So if you simplify further, so 3 cube is 27 now, so minus this will go up and power becomes plus, so this becomes 4, because 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 will be 2 square, 2 square will be 4, then plus 2 into 2 is also 4. So this plus minus get cancelled, so answer is 27. Okay, this is how we simplify. Now let us take the second question. Now, okay, second question, number 2. Question number 2, it is root over 2 square into 4th root of 256 divided by cube root of 64. This you have to simplify. Now you remember the property. Suppose you have nth root of a to the power m, then this is equal to a to the power m upon n. This is the property we use here. So here there is no number here mentioned, means it is square root. So you can write it as power half. Okay, so 1 by 2. So it is to the power 2 by 2 you get, because m by n here, m by n, so m is 2, n is 2. So into 256, factorize 256. Try with the simplest prime number which can divide it as the lowest prime number. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are, so 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are, 2 will go here 32 times, 2 will go here 16 times, 2 will go here 8 times, 2 will go 4 times, and 2 will go 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is to the power 8. 8 by, so it is 4. Okay, to the power 8 by 4. Divide by 64 again factorize. 2 will go 32 times, 2 will go 16 times, 2 will go 8 times, 4 times, and 2 will go 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get to the power 6 by 3. Okay. So now you can simplify. 2 will go cancel 1, so it is 2. Here 2 will go 2 times, so it is 2 square. And here this will cancel here 2 times, 2 square. So when you simplify, then when you multiply, this power is 1 here. So when you multiply, exponents are added, and when you divide, it will be subtracted. So 2 to cancel, so it is 2 is the answer. Okay. Now let's take question number 3. Question number 3 now. 5 power 2 into x plus 6 into 25 to the power minus 7 plus 2x whole divided by 125 to the power 2x. Okay, now here base is 25, 125, we change base into 5 now, so that you can apply the properties of the rules. So you can simplify here. 5, 2 into x, 2x, 2 plus 2, 6 are 12, into, this is 5, 2 will go here, 2 into minus 7 plus 2x, okay, because 25 is 5 square, and 125 is 5 cube, so into 2x, because power on power, power raised on power, the exponents are multiplied. So if you simplify further, 5 to the power 2x plus 12, these are unlike terms, cannot be added, into 5 to the power minus 14 plus 2 to the 4x, divided by 5 to the power 3 to the 6x. Now, since the bases are same here, all the 3 terms, so we can multiply and divide. So when you multiply, these powers are added. So you get 5 to the power 2x plus 12 plus minus 14 plus 4x, and this 6x will be subtracted minus 6x, because when you multiply, powers are added, when you divide, it is subtracted. So if you simplify 5 to the power, look at x terms, 2x plus 4x, 6x minus 6 will be 0, so it will get cancelled. Then 12 minus 14 will give you, because plus into minus is minus, so 12 minus 14 will give you minus 2. So it will be 1 by 5 square. When you make it positive, it will go down to denominator. So answer is 1 by 25 is the answer. Okay, now we'll take next question, number 4. Similar sum we have done in the previous class. Question number 4. 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 49 to the power n plus 2 whole divided by 343 to the power n plus 1 and whole to the power 2 by 3. And this one also you have to simplify. So 7 is a prime number, so it's okay. 2n plus 3 minus 49 you can write as 7 square into n plus 2 on power multiplied, and 343, you know, it is 7 cube, so 7 can divide, so 7 4s are 28, so 6 63, 7 9s are 3, so 7 7s are 49, so it is 7 cube, 7 3 into n plus 1, and you have, and power and power will be multiplied, so you can do that also in the same step. So into, you get 2 by 3, okay, because this is 7 cube and power 2 by 3. So if you simplify, 7 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 7 to the power 2n plus 2, so 2 plus 2 to the 4, 2n plus 4 divided by this 3 can be cancelled here. So if you multiply by 2, you get 7 to the power 2n plus 2. So this is 49n plus 2. So send 2n, 2 to the 4. Now here power of 7 is 2n plus 3, here 2n plus 4. So lower power is 2n plus 3. So if you take 7 to the power, in fact here 2n plus 2 is there, so you can take 2n plus 2 common. So 2n plus 2 if you take common, then here see 2n plus 3 there, 2n plus 2. So 1 7 will be left here, minus here 2n plus 4, so 2n plus 2 you are taking common. So 7 square will be left here. Okay, and divided by 7 to the power 2n plus 2. So 2n plus 2 you have taken common. So here 1 more is there, so 7 here. Here 2 more is there, so 7 square. So this 7 you can divide 7 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 2n plus 2, because when you divide, exponents are subtracted, into 7 minus 49 you get 7 square 49. So this will be cancelled, so 7 to the power 0 you get, into 7 minus 49 is, you get minus 42. So this is 7 to the power 0 is 1, 1 to the power minus 42, so answer is minus 42. So this is answer. Now let's take question number 5. Now question number 5, it is x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3. Now this one, okay, you can directly multiply or you can use the formula, because it is in formula form. If you look at carefully, this is in the form a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is a minus b, this is a square plus ab plus b square. This is in this formula form, and you know this will give you a cube minus b cube. That is the formula of a cube minus b cubes. So what we'll do is we'll try to put this two factors in this form, a minus b formula form, and then we use the formula and get a cube minus b cube, and we simplify. So here a minus b is okay. This is a, x to the power minus 1 by 3 is b. Remember, this is a, this is b. Now in the second formula we'll try to write this in this form now. So we use curly bracket. So first term is a square, a is x to the power 1 by 3. So x to the power 1 by 3 whole square, a square. If you simplify, 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3, so it's fine. Plus ab term, ab is, a is x to the power 1 by 3 and b is x to the power minus 1 by 3. So when you multiply, powers are added, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 will be 0. So x to the power 0 is 1, so 1 is there. So it's okay. So last one, b square, x to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. So if you multiply, 1 by 3 into 2 will be 2 by 3, so minus 2 by 3. So you see these two factors can be expressed in formula form, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So we know the product here. The product of these two factors is a cube plus b cube. So a cube, a is x to the power 1 by 3, so a cube here minus, because this is a minus b formula here, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is a cube minus b cube. So minus b is x to the power 1 by 3 and its whole cube. So this is a, this is b. So a cube minus b cube. So power and power multiply. So we get x minus power multiplied here. So x to the power minus 1. Because when power is raised to another power, exponents are multiplied. So 1 by 3 into 3 is 1. Minus 1 by 3 into 3 is minus 1. So x minus, you can write this as 1 by x as a positive exponent. Okay, so that is question number 5. Now next question, question number 6. Now question number 6. So these are important type of questions, 6, 7, 8. x to the power m by x to the power n over to the power l into x to the power n by x to the power l to the power n into x to the power l by x to the power m to the power n. So to simplify, when a fraction is raised to power, both numerator and denominator will get the same power. So you remove this whole to the power l bracket. So when you remove bracket, x to the power m into l, ml. So here x to the power n into l, ml. Okay, into. Similarly, x to the power n into m, nm, x to the power l into m, lm. Into x to the power l into n is ln, and x to the power m into n is mn. So this is m here. Now, so here the numerator can, or you can divide these two. Okay, you can divide x to the power ml by x to the power nl because same base. So when you divide, you get ml minus nl. Here if you divide, you get nm minus lm into here ln minus here you can write mn. So nm also you can write, or mn you can write. So now when the powers of the same base are multiplied, their exponents are added. So x to the power ml minus nl plus nm you can write mn minus lm plus ln minus mn. So you see ml, lm cancel, nl, ln cancel, mn, mn cancel. So you get x to the power 0, and x to the power 0 is 1. That is answer. So other two are also similar, but expressed in different ways. So let's see these two also. Question number 7. lm, so x to the power l by x to the power m into mnth root here. mn x to the power m by x to the power n root over nth root here x to the power n by x to the power l. So we did the similar sum in question number 2. So when the root over signs are there, so how to simplify it? So you can write this as x to the power l by x to the power m whole to the power 1 by ln. When you remove this radical sign, root over sign, then you get 1 by ln. It's a fractional power. Similarly, x to the power m by x to the power n whole to the power, it becomes 1 by mn. 1 by mn. So into x to the power n by x to the power l to the power 1 by nl you get. Okay, this goes to the denominator in the exponent. So now, so you can write this as x to the power l into 1 by lm x to the power m into 1 by lm. Okay, so into x to the power m into 1 by mn upon x to the power n into 1 by mn. X to the power n into 1 by nl, x to the power l into 1 by nl you can write. So here, so l get cancelled, so you get x to the power 1 by m, and here m get cancelled, so x to the power 1 by l. So into x to the power m get cancelled, so 1 by n, x to the power n gets cancelled, 1 by m, x to the power n gets cancelled, so 1 by l, and x to the power l get cancelled here, 1 by m. So if you divide here, you get x to the power 1 by m minus 1 by l. In x to the power you get 1 by n minus 1 by m, because when you divide exponents are subtracted. X to the power 1 by l minus 1 by n. So this will give you x to the power 1 by m minus 1 by l plus 1 by n minus 1 by m plus 1 by l minus 1 by n, because when you multiply the exponents are added. So you see all the power terms in the exponent will get cancelled. So you get x to the power 0 and answer is 1. Now we'll take the last question, question number 8. Okay. So question number 8, given x to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power a square minus ab plus b square into x to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power c square plus ca plus a square. Now if you see carefully, now when you divide this by this, you get x to the power a minus b, and a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square is actually the formula. Here you know a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is nothing but a cube plus b cube. So we'll be using this formula. So here you get x to the power a minus b. When you divide x to the power a by x to the power b, we get a minus b, then into a square plus ab plus b square, because power and power, the exponents are multiplied, into x to the power b minus c. In the same way you get b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c minus a. When you divide, then you get c square plus ca plus a square. Now this is in this formula form, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, which is a cube. Actually it should be a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus a cube x to the power a cube minus b cube. This will be x to the power, similarly b cube minus c cube, into x to the power, it will be c cube minus a cube. So now when you multiply these three, their exponents are added. So x to the power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. So when you multiply, all exponents are added. But here a cube plus and minus get cancelled, b cube plus minus cancelled, c cube also minus plus get cancelled. So you get x to the power 0 and x to the power 0, answer is again 1. Okay. So thank you class.